Okay guys, this video is part 2. Give fine powder on the sidelines of the stone and connect using glue. The video will be sped up to shorten the video time. Please follow the instructions on the video until the next step. If you have questions, please discuss in the comments column. I'll start installing the wood. The first step, I use driftwood. Please connect using glue. Add fine powder between the wood so that the glue gets stronger. Please add small stones to fill in the empty gaps. The video will continue to part 3, guys.